Welcome everyone, it's me Arjun. I am back again on Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Here in this Adobe Photoshop playlist series, today I'm gonna guide and show you to how to apply the gradient in the text to create the smooth transition for the eye-catching text. Without further ado, let's open the Adobe Photoshop and create a file. You can play with any of the file size. For the demonstration purpose I'm using A4 file size, but it doesn't matter anything. Whatever the size you want, you can play around with the file and select the text tool and type any of the text. Let's type the welcome text like this for the demonstration purpose only. Then to apply the gradient to the page and the save, I have the separate video for you. Go and check and watch that video. Here I'm going to apply the gradient in the shape, gradient in the text. Sorry, it's in the text. Select the text layer, and it means you should be in the text layer, and click on this icon, gradient overlay, or you can go through the layer menu, layer style, gradient overlay. It's the same thing, and select any of the gradient style from here. These are the preset given by Adobe Photoshop. You can play around this, or if you want to apply your own color, just play with this one here, and here let's apply this one, and this one let's apply the red one. Okay, you can play any of these colors from here, and to apply the angle you can play with this style, this button, scale button, how you want to spread the transition between multiple color, you can apply from here, and the opacity. And okay, if you don't want to apply the gradient, you can remove from here as well. Just click there and click on this checkbox, just remove the checkbox, and then okay. But I want to leave it as it is here. It's very easy, and you can create any of the attractive eye-catching gradient in the text like this. Hope this video is helpful for you to create the create and apply the gradient in the text. If you have any question, leave the comment on the comment box. I will be happy to answer. And if you haven't already, please subscribe my channel. That would encourage me to create more video on coming future, and you will be notified for the new video as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good day.